Welcome, everyone. My name is Uchab, and this is a NextGen Coding Company presentation. We're dedicated to empowering business leaders and decision makers like you with cutting-edge software and insights from the tech world. NextGen is a 100% USA-based software development company based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, focused on AI, machine learning, blockchain, automation, and computer vision. We have a full staff of engineers, designers, and testers supporting full end-to-end software development services. Our motto is simple: we code the future. Please like, follow, subscribe, and reach out if you have any questions or a software project we can help bring to life. Today, we're diving into a crucial step in the design process that helps shape your app or website's user experience: wireframing. What is wireframing? Wireframing is the process of creating a blueprint or schematic of your app or website. It's a visual guide that shows the basic structure and layout of your interface without any design details like colors, fonts, or images. Think of it as the skeleton of your app. It focuses on functionality, content placement, and the flow between pages or screens. Wireframes are a tool for planning and aligning your team on what the product will look like before diving into the visual design. Today's agenda: a simple analogy to understand how wireframing works. Why wireframing matters to your business. A basic system diagram showing how wireframing fits into the development cycle. A deeper look into how wireframing scales for larger projects. Real-world examples of wireframing across multiple industries. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine you're building a house. Before you start choosing paint colors or picking out furniture, you need to know where the walls, doors, and windows will go. Wireframing works the same way. It lays out the structure of your product before you worry about the aesthetics. It's a way of mapping out the user journey and interface elements to ensure everything fits together. Now let's walk through a simple diagram. The design team creates wireframes based on requirements. The wireframes lay out the basic structure and flow of the app. Developers use wireframes to understand layout and functionality. Designers take over to add visual elements and polish. Every time your team works on a new feature or interface, wireframing helps ensure that the structure is sound before adding the finishing touches. Now let's go deeper. As your product grows in complexity, wireframing tools and techniques evolve. For example, interactive wireframes can be created using tools like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD. These tools allow your team to test interactions and user flows before development begins, making the process more efficient. Wireframes can also be used to create prototypes that users can test and provide feedback on, ensuring that the design will meet their needs. Why does this matter to your business? Wireframing is essential for defining the layout and structure of your app or website, establishing user flows to optimize the user experience, aligning teams around the functionality of the app before detailed design, identifying usability issues early in the design process, saving time and money by reducing costly design revisions later in development. Industries that rely on wireframing every day include retail and e-commerce, to plan intuitive shopping experiences and checkout flows; healthcare, to design user-friendly patient portals and appointment systems; finance, to ensure secure, efficient online banking and transaction workflows; SaaS platforms, to create simple, navigable dashboards for user interaction. Pro tip: when wireframing, focus on the core user journeys. Map out the most critical features and flows to ensure users can easily accomplish their goals within the app, such as signing in, checking out, or managing their account. To recap, wireframing is a key part of the design process that helps structure and plan the user interface of your app or website. By focusing on functionality, layout, and flow, wireframes give your team a clear roadmap before moving on to visual design. It's an essential step that helps you create user-friendly products, saving time and money in the long run. At NextGen, we work closely with you to create wireframes that align with your product's goals and user needs. From initial sketches to interactive prototypes, our design team will ensure your product's user experience is seamless and intuitive. Visit nextgencodingcompany.com or email us at admin@nextgencodingcompany.com to get started. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-digest tech breakdowns from the NextGen team.